More than 4 years after the disappearance and death of a Port Moody woman, her husband has now been charged. Trina Hunt's body was found near Hope several months after she was reported missing back in 2021. Romina Dea joins us with more on why the nature of the charge is not what the victim's family has been hoping for. Romina.
Chris, no murder charges were laid today in this homicide investigation. Trina's husband, 52-year-old Ian Hunt, has been charged with 1 count of indignity to human remains.
It's just been traumatic beyond explanation. It's just really disappointing that after 4 years, this is all that's come of it.
No murder charges laid. The integrated homicide investigation team short on answers.
Do you still believe her death was suspicious? Did she die of natural causes? Was it an accident? Or did someone kill her?
Well, I can't go into the details of the investigation. What's important is that police need to conduct a objective and fair investigation.
48-year-old Trina Hunt was reported missing by her husband on January 18, 2021. Ian Hunt is accused of committing the offense of indignity to his wife's remains in Port Moody 2 days before he reported Trina missing. More than 2 months would pass before Trina's remains were discovered on a cold Monday morning near Hope, March 29th. Trina's family said Ian had told them they were visiting a campground and they were on a digital detox, which is why Trina did not answer her phone. We tried to give Ian Hunt the opportunity to respond to the charge. His father had this to say.
What do you make of your son being charged?
I'm not happy with it. That's a silly question.
Why aren't you happy with it? Can you elaborate?
Because he's not involved with it. I'm done with this.
You think your son's innocent?
Absolutely.
In this case, what has likely happened is that police didn't have enough evidence to lay a charge such as murder or manslaughter, so they've gone with a lesser charge that's easier to prove, which is this charge.
The public perplexed with the outcome.
What is it they found that they could charge him with that? How did she end up dead? That would be my question.
How can they just have the one charge?
Were there mistakes in this investigation?
I can't comment on whether or not there were mistakes made, but I can only say that these type of investigations are very complex.
You know, we're going to learn more about what happened, I'm sure. And I think that's just going to lead to even more anger that that this is the only charge that's come of this investigation after 4 years.
Romina, IHIT says it conducted more than 90 interviews and there were more than 100 tips that came in. Is this investigation over?
It's a good question, Chris. At this point, it appears that all leads have been exhausted, which is why we're here today. But IHIT is not ruling out future charges, further charges. It would depend on any new information coming forward. As far as the accused goes, he was not arrested. Ian Hunt is not in custody. He was issued a summons to make his first appearance here at Port Coquitlam Court on March 5th. Back to you.
All right. Thanks very much for the update on this very disturbing case. Romina Dea reporting for us.